Is there something missing from your life? Do you lack fun and excitement? Well, if so, we have the perfect product for you. Introducing the latest technology in toilet humor, the fart machine. Endorsed by the king of media, Howard Stern, the fart machine is guaranteed to leave you in stitches. With 5 distinct fart noises, the fart machine ensures hours of non-stop laughter. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, this versatile device has a range of up to 50 feet and the ability to work through walls. Its small design combined with its adhesive tape allow the fart machine to be placed anywhere, creating endless possibilities of fun. The fart machine is so small, it can be placed in your pocket, in a trash can, in a drawer, under a bed, under a pillow, in your sister's laundry, and in a backpack. But to not believe us, just listen to the hilarious prank stories some of our very satisfied customers have performed.
I was sick and tired of my roommate's annoying girlfriend always being in her room. I just had to get rid of her somehow, but nothing I tried worked.
Your soul is mine!
Sorry about that. That's my roommate for you.
That is until I discovered the fart machine. Now I can get her to leave whenever I want, simply by pressing a button.
Yep. Was that you?
What are you doing?
It's not me!
It's not me!
It's one of us, it has to
What?
be you!
No! You're so
You can't just
disgusting!
leave.
Ugh.
Come on, baby!
What is this? Hey, don't worry about that. Don't worry about her. She's a low-life dirtball.
That's my girl!
With her out of the picture, my roommate and I get to spend more quality time together, playing video
This is
games.
the best night of my life. Thanks, fart machine.
Before Fart Machine, spending time with my grandparents was a total bore. But now, thanks to this amazing invention, spending time with the relatives is great fun.
So there you have it. Don't delay. Run out and purchase your fart machine today. The fart machine is available at Spencer Gifts and other fine novelty stores.